Hi, I heard that there is a way to 点刷我的 beginning stock. That means is checking the beginning stock. So why? Because it's easier for uh, submitting the text. So here is an example that use a Excel to record all the invoices and save the receipt. So the record all the invoices. I think that you can also use this one, the invoices. So list out the cost and so on. Uh, I have this inventory list. So from a Shopee website, yep. So we have this list item, and there's also the category. You can see the fabric, so on. So I come to here and I dive in the cost to less the end is that every day if there's a sales, then we just key in it, then this will automatic populated. If I remove this code, then it will disappear, right? So I use the VLookup to just do that. So there is a drop down. I can use maybe this one. That I know that the current is just to let you know there's a VLookup right there. And this is cost, quantity, all can get from this list here. Finally, the value is just take cost times the quantity, you get 100. So this is a very simple inventory system, and is suitable for small company. I always want to start from small, so you can use this to record down. So this is R for receive, S for sales, and the sales you minus out the stock, so that's why it's minus. Okay, so the value will be this, and yeah, so that's it, right? Please let me know if my calculation is wrong, right? I do need some help as I'm not accounting background. All the best. God bless you. Yeah.